Okay, so welcome again to the Mango Man Homestead Orchard, and what I'm going to show you right now, let me just take and I'll pan us around like this. You can see we're in the middle of our orchard, and one of the things you're going to notice here behind me, right there, down off of my right or my left, there is a newly planted trees. There's one, there's another one further off there. What we're doing now is we're in the point where we can't wait any longer for trees that won't grow. They either have a bad root system, they're growing on a hole, they've been girdled, they just had the wrong rootstock, maybe the tree is too big. Whatever the reason, what we're ending up having to do is we have to move forward. We have to have change, we have to have trees. So you can see the mature trees here behind me, and you can see the brand new tree right there. All right, now it's not easy to get new young trees to get established in situations like this, because you have to keep and do fairly severe pruning. So I'll look this way. It's kind of hard to see with the light the way it is right now, but you see that's a big orange sherbet tree right here to my left that we had to cut back pretty severely in order to give this tree enough light. So that's what we're doing in here. We're moving forward, replacing trees, planting new trees here at Mango Man Homestead, and you know, always move forward. Bye-bye.